let us talk
So,
about
an
adjective.
adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. That means that adjective tells that what is noun. What is noun referencing to? Like example, Rita is very beautiful girl. So, beautiful is an adjective as it is telling about the girl Rita, which is beautiful. So, it is qualifying a noun, that is an adjective. So there are two types of adjective. First, attributive adjectives, and second, predicative adjective. First, attributing adjective is the adjective that are used at the first position which before the noun. That means that this is an adjective that is used before a noun. Like Deepika is a strong lady, so it is an adjective used before a noun lady. So it is known as attributive adjective. Second, predicative adjective. Adjective that are used in the second position after the noun are known as predicative adjective. Predicative adjective are used at the second place after noun. That means after noun there's one word, after that word there is an adjective. Like Rohan it is strong. So Rohan is strong is a word between the adjective and a noun. Noun Rohan is noun and is a word, and strong is a adjective. What is the difference between the attributive adjective and the predicative adjective? Attributive adjective is precede the noun then qualify. That means it is situated before the noun. The difference in predicative noun is that it is followed by the noun and then qualifies it. That means it is after the noun, after one word or two word. Attributive adjective can be used with both action or linking verbs, whereas predicative adjective can occur immediately after a linking verb. Attributive adjective cannot act as a subject complement, whereas predicative adjective act as a subject complements. Some adjectives are there that are never predicative or attributive, that are former, main, etc. So the comparison of the adjective take place in three degrees, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree, an adverb or adjective does not make the comparison is said to be at a positive degree, and in comparative degree there is a comparison between two nouns or pronouns. That means two nouns or pronoun have a comparison. Like we are comparing iron with gold, Rihan with Gaurav, and superlative degree. When there is a comparison among more than two, it means that we are comparing Rohan with Sweetie, with Mehant, with Fahad. So there are more than two, so we use superlative degree. Forming comparative degree by adding er and superlative by adding est to the positive. This is one of the basic method for changing the positive into comparative and superlative. For example, rich in comparative richer, in superlative richest, thick in comparative thicker, in superlative thickest. Let us see about some more examples. Like if a positive end with e, we add only r and st. Like noble in comparative nobler, in superlative noblest. And if a positive end with y and y, so we add er and est. And the word y change into I, like easy in comparative easier and superlative easiest, lazy in comparative lazier and superlative laziest. If the positive word end with a single constant, that means the last word of the word is only constant, before it there is a vowel, then the constant is double before adding er and est. Like big, positive bigger, comparative bigger, and superlative biggest. Positive is thin, comparative it becomes thinner, and superlative it becomes thinnest. Now there are some references. Like in beautiful become more beautiful, superlative become more most beautiful. It cannot be beautifuler and beautifulest. It use more and most. Now there are some more references like bad, comparative worst, superlative worst, further, comparative further, and superlative furthest. Late, comparative later, superlative latest. Good, comparative better, and superlative best. Old, comparative older, and superlative oldest. So now we have learned about the positive, comparative, and superlative degree of the adjective with the examples and its many types. Now, there are some adjective known as ly adjective. These are adjective ending with ly. These are also part of a adverb, like she was left in the party. That was in the early morning. So in early it indicates the morning, which is a noun. So early is ly, but it is also an adverb. Some noun are also adjective, as you can see here. Participle adjective. A participle adjective qualify a noun or pronoun. It may be used abbreviatively, predicatively. It may use its comparative degree or superlative degree. Like the tired player took a bread. In this, the tired is a participle adjective. In this adjective, mostly the words end with ing, ed, and so on. Thank you. Now let us see some exercises. As you can see here, I have marked out the adjective elder, happy, several, beautiful, last, big, last. And happy is the last word of the sentence and it is the adjective, so it is predicative here. Otherwise, all are attributive. Now you have to do these exercises and learn more about adjective. If you have not learned anything or any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Let us find out some more exercises. Exercise E, adding ly. And exercise F, we have to write the correct following sentence with participle adjective. You can do exercises. If any doubts or not getting answer, you can ask me in the comment section.